How to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you could connect your Facebook page to Instagram account. So the first thing you need to do is to actually click on your Instagram account to open your account. So once you actually click on that, what you need to do right here is to head over to your profile section right here. So once you click on your profile section, so what you're going to be doing now is you need to make sure your account is actually switched to a business account or to a creator's account. So in order to do that right here, all you need to do is to click on this three dot icon right here. So once you actually click on that right here, then once you are going to be doing right here, you need to scroll down a bit right here. Then you're going to be heading over to where it says creator tools and control. So once you actually click on where it says creator tools and control, you're going to see where it says switch account type. So you need to click on it right here. Then you need to actually switch your account to a business account, or you need to switch your account to a creator's account. So right now I already switched my account to a creator's account, so I'm going to be leaving that. So what you need to do is to just click on back. So all you need to do right here is to head over to your profile icon. So you're going to be clicking on where it says edit profile. So once you click on where it says edit profile, all you need to do is to just scroll down a bit. So you're going to see where it says connect page. So you're going to be clicking on it right here. Then you're going to be clicking on continue. So once you actually click on continue right here, they're going to ask you to log in into your Facebook account. So they're going to ask you to log in into the Facebook account you want to connect the page to. So you're going to be clicking on it right here. Then once you click on it right here, it's going to take you straight to the Facebook account. So you can see right here, these are the list of the Facebook account that is on your profile. So all you need to do is to just select any of this profile right here, any of this Facebook page. You could actually just connect. So right here, I'm going to be connecting this page to my Instagram account. So all you need to do is just click on connect. So once you actually click on connect, your Facebook page is going to be connected to your Instagram account successfully. And I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you know it did, please don't forget to give the video a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.